What's up, Glamazons? So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Boxycharm base box for the month of July. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my base box, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let YouTube and myself know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's get into this bad boy. So this month's theme is Fantasy. S-E-Y. Okay, that's cute. The first product I am excited about is this Pharmacy whipped greens oil-free foaming cleanser. I love Pharmacy products. They are reasonably priced and they just work amazingly. So this is an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free pH balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. This retails for $28 and it's 5 fluid ounces. Alright, next we have, this is so cute, I was hoping I would get this. This is the Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. So this is in oat, which is translucent powder, and it retails for $24. Here's what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. And it's just a traditional setting powder. Okay, so next is this Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. So these is firming, deep puffing, and brightening. Oh wow. Okay, so these retail for $49.99. Wow. How many? Oh, there's 30 pairs in here. Damn. So you leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes. I was gonna say that's really expensive, but I guess for 30 pairs, that's not bad. I was gonna say I was probably gonna put this in a giveaway because I just got some Wander Eye patches, but there's only like 5 of those in there. So I might keep these. Alright, next we have this, I don't know if I'm gonna be pronouncing it right, Outre 8-in-1 plus CBD Leavein Conditioner. Okay, so it has 8 powerful benefits in one: enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. So this retails for $30. I'll always take a leave-in conditioning spray. Alright, and lastly is this Billion Dollar Brows on Point Micro Pencil. So I got it in the shade Taupe, and this retails for $16. So I've heard good things about this brow pencil. So it is a mechanical pencil, and here is Taupe, and then you have your traditional spoolie on the other end. Okay, yeah, this is a decent box. I'm really excited about the Pharmacy cleanser, the Beauty Bakery powder, this, and the other ones I'm semi-excited about. So let me calculate the total retail value of this. So the total retail value was $148. I thought it was supposed to be at least $150 retail value, but whatever. Yeah, I would give this box, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Who else got the Beauty Bakery setting powder? And if you've tried it, let me know how you like it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you next time. Bye.